A significant development emerged from Dubai last week, potentially reshaping market access for medical devices across the Gulf Cooperation Council, or GCC. At a major policy exchange event hosted by MedTech and MedTech Europe, leaders unveiled a strategic framework for what is being unofficially termed a GCC Medical Device Passport. This initiative aims to create a unified regulatory pathway across key markets, starting with Saudi Arabia, the UAE, and Qatar. The goal is to establish a mutual recognition system where a medical device approved by one country's authority, like the Saudi Food and Drug Authority, would be eligible for a fast-tracked, simplified registration in the others. This directly addresses the long-standing challenge of market fragmentation, which has historically slowed down the introduction of new technologies to the region. The practical impact of this initiative is substantial. Previously, a medical technology company, for instance, a European firm with a novel AI-powered diagnostic tool, faced the daunting task of navigating 3 separate, complex regulatory dossiers and submission processes. This meant different timelines, distinct fee structures, and unique documentation requirements for each country, often delaying patient access to innovation by years and adding significant operational costs. This new framework promises to collapse these redundant processes into a single, streamlined strategic effort. By securing approval in one lead country, manufacturers can unlock accelerated access to the wider GCC, making the region a far more attractive and predictable market for investment and expansion. This move is a clear signal that the GCC is no longer content to be just a consumer of medical technology. The region is actively positioning itself as a global hub for medtech innovation and commercialization. By harmonizing regulatory standards, the GCC aims to encourage international companies to establish regional headquarters, invest in local clinical trials, and even co-develop products tailored to the local population's health needs. This aligns with broader national visions, such as Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030, which emphasizes developing a vibrant local healthcare and technology sector. It represents a shift from a distributor-led model to an ecosystem-based approach, fostering deeper partnerships and long-term investment. However, significant hurdles remain to be addressed. The framework will require unprecedented collaboration on sensitive topics like national data sovereignty, the standardization of clinical evidence requirements, and the alignment of post-market surveillance and reporting systems. Creating a truly seamless system will be a complex, multi-year endeavor. For global medtech companies, this evolving landscape presents both a massive opportunity and a new set of strategic questions. Understanding the nuances of this new collaborative framework will be critical to gaining a first-mover advantage in one of the world's most dynamic healthcare markets. This regulatory shift underscores the need for expert on-the-ground guidance. For help navigating these new opportunities, you can email or visit Pure Global.